Hello and welcome. As you know that in the Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM and C in the sales module, we have a very important feature of it named as product, because whenever any sales action happens, so the main thing behind any sales works is product. So if we create any opportunities, so mainly our opportunities about products. So just like if I give any product laptop, so here when we select this, if click on save of this opportunity, next thing what we need to add a product. So if we click on adding a product, as you can see these are the product which are available. But as a developer, most of the time you would need to add the product as per the client need. So for that you need to configure new products. So for that, where we could do it, first of all, there are two ways to doing it. First we go to the advanced settings, and then, so if you come here, now in the setting drop down, here we can see product catalog is given. If you open it, then we could add a product from here. Or there is one more way to do it. Go back to your this UI and click on the sales, and then go to app settings, and here we can see the similar thing. But when we try to add a new product, we find it some issues here, because there is one thing which is necessary, which is required. It's called unit group. So just like if I'm adding a new product as painkiller medicine, and give a product ID which is also mandatory, then this unit group is necessary. As you can see, without having any unit group, we cannot create any new product here. So first of all, if you want to add a new product, we need to have a unit group for it. So as we know that we need unit to measure anything, just like for weight we need kilogram. For just like here in our scenario, what we will do, we would create a unit for medicine. There would be one unit bottle, and there will be two packs of bottles, and there will be six packs of bottles. So base unit will be bottle, and the quantity is like that. And now we will switch to our CRM to see that's how we're going to. So here we will create unit group first. We could do it from here also, and from here also. So we will click here, now discard changes, because we cannot add any product there. Click on new and create a new product. So the new product should be like a bottle of 30. Primary unit is the bottle. Click on OK, and we would describe it. That is very every time it's a good practice. And then we will click on save, and now it's been saved. Now go to related and click on units. Here we could create more units, just like if you want a unit pack of 2, quantity would be 2, base unit would be bottle. Now click on save. As you can say that unit has associated here. Now we will create a new unit, pack of 4, quantity would be 4, base unit would be bottle, similar to that. And we could also make a pack of 2 as a base unit, but we don't need it in our scenario. Now click on save and close. Once it's done, click on save and close, come outside, click here, and then click on activate. Once it's been activated, now it's been activated, now we could create a product. Now go back to the family and product, and now we will click on add product. Now if you create a painkiller medicine, the this should be the product ID, and now in the unit group we could use the unit group as a bottle of 30. And now as you can see the default unit, we could select any here. So for now I'm selecting bottle, and now if they give the decimal supported yes, and now we could save the product here. So so now the product has been saved, and we could add any just like default price list here, or the subject we could give it like that. That's why this notification is coming down like that. We would do it in another video. I will show that how we could configure our price list and what are the price list, why it's necessary. Close. Thanks for watching.